Today, while strolling the Marsh Walk in Murrells Inlet, the seafood capital of South Carolina, we decided to grab a bite at Drunken Jack's. Drunken Jack's is home of some of the freshest seafood in Murrells Inlet and has some of the best views of the inlet. This pirate-themed restaurant sits right in the heart of Murrells Inlet on the Marsh Walk and has plenty of parking in the front. However, since we were already hanging on the Marsh Walk, we just strolled in from the back. And being off-season, the wait time was literally 0 minutes. We sat on the patio to admire the panoramic views, which include the ever-popular Goat Island. Yes, with actual goats. See them? The inside is decorated with a pirate and nautical theme on each of its many floors. There is plenty of seating inside and out, and the decor is displayed throughout the restaurant on the walls, rails, and everywhere you turn. And it doesn't stop there. As you can see, the outside continues this nautical theme. On the menu, you'll find everything you need for that sea-loving inner pirate. Or you can get those specialty items for that landlubber who doesn't eat seafood, as well as sandwiches and salads. And not only do they offer an extensive array of food, but they also boast an assortment selection of drinks.
That's right, they had the jalapeno margarita. Of course, it's got to be hot and spicy, a jalapeno margarita. And my bestie Julie got a cranberry Moscow Mule.
So we ordered the hush puppies for an appetizer, which were steaming hot and fresh. And she got the boom boom shrimp.
Let's see, shrimp is hot.
Boom boom?
Mm-hmm.
Of course, I ordered the half-pound Angus cheeseburger. Yum! Let's see.
All right, going in for the bite. What you think, Beatbox?
That's good too. I got it well done.
Yum, yum.
Our friends ordered the Drunken Jack sampler and the shrimp and crab fondue, and said both were delicious. Now there's a legend to Drunken Jack. It's on the back of the menu here. And it goes like this. Arrgh, in the early 1600s, there'd be a pirate named Jack. Anyway, I'm not gonna read you the whole story, but if you want to, it's on the back of the menu. So, if you're in the mood for a great seafood restaurant with a spectacular view, then make sure you're subscribed to this channel for more places like Drunken Jack's in Murrells Inlet.
All right, well, there you have it. That was a taste of the Drunken Jack's. So next time you're in Murrells Inlet, check it out. The jalapeno margarita was top #1. Alrighty, until next time, keep beaching. Arrgh.